Good morning, Mr. Chairman and Senators. My name is Lisa Kaufman, and I'm testifying today on behalf of the Texas Civil Justice League in favor of Senate Bill 31. Steve and Amy Bresnan, on behalf of the Texas Campaign for Mothers, and I were the primary drafters of this bill with Senator Hughes and his staff. Let me start by thanking Senator Hughes and Katriana Corkle for agreeing to take this issue on and for working with us over the past year to ensure that pregnant women who experience pregnancy complications will receive necessary medical care in a timely manner. The language in this bill has been heavily negotiated between the medical community and the pro-life community. These include Texas Campaign for Mothers, the Texas Civil Justice League, the Texas Medical Association, the Texas Hospital Association, Texas Right to Life, Texas Alliance for Life, Texans for Life Committee, Texas Catholic Conference of Bishops, and the Human Coalition. Again, thanks to Senator Hughes for his leadership in bringing us all to the table. So let's talk about what Senate Bill 31 does. By way of background, there are 4 primary abortion laws in the state of Texas. Each was enacted at different times in history, and each uses differing language for provisions that are substantially the same. This has led to confusion amongst the medical community, directly affecting the care provided to pregnant women. Senate Bill 31 clearly defines what constitutes a medical emergency and then clearly states that a medical emergency is an exception to our state's general ban on abortion. The definition of a medical emergency occurs when there is a threat to the life of the mother or a threat to her major bodily function. Making this determination is done by a physician using reasonable medical judgment. That's the standard of care used in all medical cases. This same language is repeated across the abortion statute so that there is no longer confusion on what constitutes a medical emergency, and doctors will have the confidence to act in a timely manner. This bill also clarifies that in the case of a medical emergency, physicians in hospitals that perform or permit a pregnancy termination will not be subject to civil or criminal penalties, occupational licensure revocation, or a private right of action. 2 other significant parts of this bill are the continuing medical education and continuing legal education requirements, which will ensure that doctors and lawyers in this area of practice are well informed by the changes made by this bill. Thank you for the opportunity to testify, and I'm happy to answer any questions.